Welcome. If you're like most people, your inbox can quickly turn into a cluttered mess. But what if you could quickly find every email from a specific sender, right from your phone? Today, I'll show you the fastest, most updated way to filter emails by sender using the Gmail app's search field. It's quick, precise, and will save you loads of scrolling. Let's dive in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS. The steps are nearly identical. Once you're in, look at the very top of your screen and tap the search field. This is the space where you usually type keywords to look for emails, but there's a smarter way to do it. Right after you tap that search field, you'll notice a row of helpful search options appears just beneath the bar. Look specifically for the one labeled From. It'll often be next to suggestions like To or Has attachment. Tap on From. This is your filter shortcut. Next, a list of your contacts, or even frequent senders, should pop up. If the person you want isn't immediately visible, don't worry. You can start typing their name or email address, and Gmail will show results that match as you type. Once you see the contact or email address of the sender you want to filter for, tap it. Immediately, Gmail narrows your inbox down to just those emails from that sender. No more endless scrolling. No more sifting through unrelated messages. You'll see every single conversation and update you've ever received from them, all in one organized view. This trick is perfect when you're searching for a critical email, need to respond to someone quickly, or even if you just want to clean up your inbox a little faster. Next time your inbox is feeling overwhelming, remember these simple steps. With just a few taps, your Gmail app becomes a powerful tool for cutting through the noise and zeroing in on exactly what you need. Go ahead, give it a try and take back control of your inbox, one sender at a time.